Good afternoon mga Chubster. So for today's video, we're going to Garhood. Let's go for a quick run. Mag 10 kilometers run tayo today guys. It's a good day today. Tomorrow is Monday. Mag-start na ulit tayo for our training. Day 1 for 2026. So wag ko na muna sabihin dito guys kung saan ako mag-race sa 2026. Baka kasi ma-jinx. But if you pay close attention to my hashtags before, makikita nyo guys kung saan ako mag-run next year. So I am hoping and praying na wala tayong magiging problema.
Ba dun? Smile. Oh, get for dun, di ba?
1K 2K. Let's go. $3K.
Yung iba
Stop.
na marathon ngayon. Hindi pa recognize sila.
4K. $5K. 6K. 7K. 8K.
Okay na siya. Narinig ko sa video.
Level 0.5. That's for today guys. Kasi ano na, almost 7 o'clock na in the evening. Let's go. See you in the next vlog. Peace.